Hello everyone. Today, I will tell you a simple but powerful story. This story is about a boy named Daniel. Listen carefully and try to understand each part. Daniel was a young boy who lived in a small village. His family was not rich, but they were kind and hardworking. Every morning, Daniel woke up very early. He helped his mother clean the house. Then he walked a long distance to school. Daniel loved learning English. But there was one problem. He was not good at speaking. When the teacher asked questions, Daniel felt nervous. His hands became cold. His voice became weak. One day, the teacher said, "Tomorrow, everyone will speak in front of the class." Daniel felt scared, very scared. That night, he could not sleep well. He kept thinking, what if I make a mistake? What if students laugh at me? The next day came. One by one, students stood up and spoke. Some spoke very well. Some made mistakes, but they still tried. Then it was Daniel's turn. He stood up slowly. His heart was beating fast. He looked at his classmates. Some were smiling. Some were watching quietly. Daniel took a deep breath. He started speaking. "My name is Daniel. I live in a small village." Suddenly, he forgot his words. He stopped. The class became silent. Daniel wanted to sit down. He wanted to run away. But then, something happened. He remembered his teacher's words. Making mistakes is part of learning. Daniel tried again. Slowly, he spoke. "I am learning English because I want a better future." His voice was not perfect. His grammar was not perfect. But he did not stop. When he finished, something surprising happened. The whole class started clapping. The teacher smiled and said, "Very good, Daniel. You were brave." That day changed Daniel's life. After that, he practiced every day. He listened to English stories. He repeated words again and again. He spoke in front of a mirror. Sometimes he made mistakes, many mistakes, but he never stopped. Months passed. One day, a visitor came to the school. He asked students questions in English. Many students were afraid, but not Daniel. Daniel raised his hand. He spoke clearly. He spoke with confidence. The visitor was impressed. He said, "You speak very well. Keep going." Years later, Daniel became an English teacher. Yes, the same boy who was once afraid to speak. Now, he helps other students. He tells them, "Do not be afraid of mistakes. Speak, try, and never give up." Moral of the story: if you want to improve your English, you must practice every day. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Practice section for your video. Repeat after me. "I am learning English. I am not afraid of mistakes. I will practice every day. I can improve step by step."